I'm Kristen, and I'm the founder and director of Urban Nature Partners PDX. This is our 5th summer doing group outings, easy paddle over to Ross Island, dinner and swimming, just an awesome introduction for some of our kids that have never been in a boat.
Rebecca, they're going to be trying to copy each other like two wings of the duck.
All of our kids have mentors. They spend time outdoors with their mentor in neighborhood parks, just getting to know stuff close to home. We do group outings together like this about once a month, and then we start sending them to camp on scholarship and other leadership opportunities for our older kids.
Most of what we do is hang out in the woods in some capacity. We go to Forest Park a lot. We go even to like Pier Park, which is close to our house. We went swimming there last week. Last summer we went to Kelly Point Park and with the intent to go swimming, but we didn't end up swimming so much as we just picked blackberries for like an hour. And she said she had never picked blackberries before, so this was like a whole new world of, deliciousness that was just free on, the side of the beach.
At us. No!